Time right now is 5:40 AM and I'm in my hotel room already here to London. We're gonna be heading to Manchester Piccadilly station, but we've got first class tickets to London. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very excited to bring you guys along with me on this journey. So I'll see you guys at Piccadilly very soon. So here we made our way to the lounge, but unfortunately it was closed because a member of staff was ill. So we decided to have breakfast at a nearby cafe. But not to worry, I did manage to experience the lounge in London, so I will show you guys that at the end of the video. So stick around to see that. We have arrived inside the train. We're taking off. It's not a flight. We're going to London now. Got a drink of apple juice. Can't go wrong with apple juice. I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start. We have arrived in London station, typical busy London. So yesterday we did not manage to enter the lounge because it was closed. So yeah, today, London's live. Anyways.
We apologise for the delay boarding of the 11:43 Avanti West Coast train service.
No, so full.